Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali. Today I'm going to show you how to fill out a Powerball ticket step by step. Powerball is the most popular legal lottery in the US and it's played in almost all states. In this video, I will explain how to fill out a Powerball ticket and what all the different options on the ticket mean. By the end, you'll know exactly how to fill your ticket like a pro. This video is made for educational purposes only. Powerball is a legal lottery in the United States. You must be 18 or older to play. We do not promote gambling or guarantee winnings. Please play responsibly and follow your state laws. Here you can see a Powerball ticket. In this video, we'll talk about how to fill out this ticket and what all the different options you see here mean. First, let me tell you that the numbers you see here have circles around them, and you need to fill these circles completely with a blue or black pen. Make sure to fill them in properly so that no empty space is left. Also, the ticket design may look a little different in different states like Florida, California, and Mississippi, etc. In some states, you will see circles, in others, squares, and sometimes even brackets that you need to fill in. Some of the options shown at the top may be available in certain states and not in others. Some states may offer extra options, but the design we're showing here is the one most commonly used across nearly all states. To fill the ticket, you will see play 1, play 2, play 3, and so on, up to play 5. If you want to fill out a single draw ticket, you only need to fill out one portion. In that portion, you choose 5 numbers from 1 to 69 and fill in the circles with black or blue ink. These are called white balls. After that, you'll see numbers from 1 to 26. These are called red balls or power balls. You only need to select one ball from these numbers. Then, looking at the options, you'll see something called double play. Next to this option, you'll find a yes circle. If you fill this circle with blue or black pen, you are enabling double play. When you enable this, you'll be charged an extra $1. And in return, the same numbers you selected for your draw will also be played in another draw. This means you can win double the amount. Next, you'll see the power play button. Next to power play, you'll again see yes. If you fill this circle, your power play will be enabled. Here too, you'll be charged an extra $1. In return, all your non-jackpot prizes can be doubled, tripled, or even multiplied up to 10 times. The power play number is announced separately. For example, if the number 2 is announced, then all your non-jackpot prizes will be doubled up. This is how the system works. Now, you may be wondering, what are non-jackpot prizes? We'll explain that at the end of this video. Next, let's talk about multi-draw. If you want to play multi-draw, you can play the same numbers you selected in one draw across multiple draws. That means the same numbers you chose for one draw can be played in many more draws. For example, if you select 6 here, you'll be playing 6 draws. The total cost will be for 6 draws. Since one draw costs $2, 6 draws will cost $12. So this is how easily you can fill out a lottery ticket in any state. After filling it, you give the ticket to any retailer. They will scan it and give you a printed ticket, which will be your official ticket. On it, you will see your draw number, how many draws you applied for, and how much you need to pay. Now, let's talk about jackpot and non-jackpot prizes. In the list you see here, from the first prize up to 8th, are all non-jackpot prizes. The 9th one is the jackpot prize, where all your balls must match. You can pause the video and note down all the prize amounts. Keep in mind, these amounts can vary from state to state.